Greetings! Today we are going to show you how to easily fix a common problem with Briggs & Stratton lawnmowers, in this case a Toro. So if your mower does this, then let's dive in. So, if that's what's happening, and you've already checked off the main things, like that your gasoline is fresh, that your air filter is not clogged, that your spark plug is clean, then you either have a clogged fuel line here, or more than likely up underneath here you will see your carburetor, and that's where the problem is. So these are the items that you're going to need in order to do this. You're going to need some paper towels in order to catch the gasoline that will drip out, some disposable gloves to protect your hands and fingers from the gasoline that will drip out, a pair of vice grips to pinch the fuel line, a small socket wrench with a 1/2 inch socket, and a 5/16 screwdriver. And along with that, you're going to need some spray gum out to clean out the carb with all the water that's in there. In order to make it a lot easier to remove and clean the carburetor, you will first need to remove the air filter assembly. With that said, just remove these 3 screws here that are holding it in place. As you can see here, there's your carburetor and your butterfly valve. And here, over here, this is your fuel line. Clamping this here to make sure that it does not leak. Put that in here and give it a good clamp. Now you can go and remove this. You can also take this off because this just pops off down in here. This just reattaches right there. Also a good time probably to clean this out if you haven't already. Okay, with the wrench, come up underneath here and unscrew the nut on the bottom. With this out, now you can use there's probably some water that was down inside of here. Spray this out. Put the gum out. If you want to also spray out, check your jet. Make sure to don't forget the washer that's on here. And then reassemble it back up inside the float. You can hand tighten it. Finish tightening it off with your ratchet. At that point then you can release your gas line. Okay, so now you need to reconnect your assembly for your air filter. Don't forget the little pipe here. It's got to go back up underneath here. That just plugs in right there. Okay, bring that up, and then start reinserting your screws. and go ahead and pop your filter back in. If you want to, you can change it. That's up to you. And at that point, you should be good to go.